So the other day, my friends and I go to see Kick-Ass 2 at the movies, right? Everything's cool. Until we go to a gas station afterwards so that we can get something to drink. Approaching the gas station, I realize that there's a running cop car right in front of it. So we enter the establishment and I greet the police officer and there's no response. We proceed to get our drinks and approach the counter to pay. As we approach the counter, the policeman moves towards the door and looks at my friends and I and says,
I'ma let y'all act like y'all playing with me. But if you got something in your pocket, take it out now and put it on the counter.
I've never been hassled by the policeman ever in my life because I'm a good kid and I don't do anything to get in trouble by the police. So when he says this, I'm just like,
Was he talking to me? He gotta be talking to me because we're the only people up in the store.
This goes on for at least another 2 minutes where he's like,
If you got something in your pocket, put it on the counter or you will go to jail. I'm serious. I'ma check you before you leave.
all kinds of stuff this policeman just goes on about. And it brings up the question, really? I mean, yes, I'm black on the outside, but if you talk to any of my friends, I'm the whitest black guy they know. So obviously, I'm confused. It's gotta be because of my skin color and the fact that it's 1:30 in the morning. But that has nothing to do with it, right? Right? So let me know, have you guys ever been racially stereotyped? And timely stereotyped? Because if we had drugs, why would we be stupid enough to bring them into the store? If we'd stolen something from the store, don't you think we would have escaped and not stood in line? Everything he came at us with made no sense. It was a new and weird experience. Let me know what you guys think about this story. Leave a comment about a time that you got racially attacked or hassled, or any time you got hassled by the police, because sometimes the police can be just dicks. That's true. Hey everybody, you're watching It's Larry G.O., the show where I talk about whatever I want to. I also make videos every Monday and Friday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more of me. Facebook, a Tumblr, a Twitter, Google Plus, all that stuff, all the cool links and yada yada are in the description down below, so make sure you give that a check out. And I'll see you guys on Friday with my weekly 16. Till then, believe that.